In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do print on demand using ViralStyle. ViralStyle is one of the newer kits on the block when it comes to print on demand. So the first thing you need to do is to go create an account. I'm going to click on this, or you can click on start selling, and then it's going to prompt you to create an account. And then first of all, before even creating an account, we can start designing our whatever we want to sell. Let's say I want to sell a hoodie. I'm going to click on hoodie, and then it gives me this unisex hoodie. I'm going to click on select. I can change the color of the t-shirt from here. I want it to be pure black, so I'm going to change it to be pure black. You can even preview this, and it says your preview is blank. You need to add text or art before you can see the preview. Okay, I'm going to come to my left hand panel here. I'll upload an image, and I will use this image which I designed in one of my tutorials. I'm going to link that tutorial in the description of this video. It's taking its time to upload. Now it's uploaded, and you can see the black on my design is a little bit different from the black on this hoodie, but nevertheless I'm going to use it. So if I click on this hoodie again, I don't know if I can change the black color. Anyway, I'm just going to use it the way it is. And now that I've added this design, you could go to templates, you could add text, you could add some text here if you so desire. I'll just delete that. I'll delete this text. I'll remove this. You can also find design templates. I'll remove this from there. I'm going to go to next. And here you can add the price for your design. So if you put a price of $39.99, you'll be making $16.75 per order. And you could also choose other colors. Let's say you want to choose something like this ox blood. You could also choose that. But for now, I'm just going to leave it at this black. You could also add, choose, is it unisex? I think that's the only option we have for now. And then if you're placing an order for 50 items, you're going to make a minimum $1,000. That's if you have 50 items. If you sell 50 items. And then I'm going to go to next. I don't want to add any additional products. I'm going to go to next. It's prompting me to sign up. I'm going to click and sign up. I'll choose create and sell. I'm just going to add my information here. This is my unique link. Unfortunately, upon sign up, I lost everything I created, so I had to start from scratch. I'll just go to next. So you can name your product. Let's say Black Daddy Hoodie. And you can put in the description here, say test hoodie. And this is going to be your URL. It's going to be a URL. A category. Let's just see. You can choose your category, family and relationships. Subcategory. I will see parent. I will see parent. Choose subcategory, father. And then you can add tags. If you have an email list, you can add it here. And then the campaign is going to run from this day to this day. And make sure to toggle that on. Then for advanced, you can show timer so that everyone knows that if they don't take opportunity of this campaign, this deal is going to be gone very soon. And you can also add upsells here. You can add upsells. Maybe you want to upsell a mug or a wristband or whatever. You can add them here and you can upsell this campaign. I'll go to launch. I'll just launch my product from here, and it tells me email address validation required. I'll click on resend email. I've gone ahead and validated my email. So I'm going to save this. This is the shareable URL. So if I right click on this and open it in a new tab, you see, you don't even necessarily need to have a website. You can use this link and share it on social media, put it in your post, and it's going to bring people here. It's taking a little bit of time to render. I'll reload this again. Now you can see this is my hoodie, which I'm selling. So in terms of functionality, how good ViralStyle is, it's not as good as Printify or Printful or even Guten, but it is actually good and is user friendly. It's actually very seamless. So if you're looking for a print on demand provider that is very, very easy to navigate through, then this is the best for you, ViralStyle. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to sign up for ViralStyle. And please, if you have any question, make sure to place your question in the description of this video. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. God bless you. Peace.